Ho 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 and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, all of you freeze dryers. We are so excited to bring to you our 12 Days of Christmas giveaway again for this year. It was a great success last year and we're just excited to bring it to you again this year. And if you participated last year, thank you so much. If you want to participate this year, all you have to do is go to freezedryingsupplies.com, or you can wait till the end of this video and sign up. And just like last year, there's no purchase necessary. We take all of our commissions from Harvestright and we take our YouTube revenue and just contributions, things like that, and we roll it all into the end of the year. And we're giving away some awesome prizes this year. Thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars worth of prizes. Winners for each day will be announced December 14th through the 25th. We're going to announce it on Facebook, we'll announce it on YouTube Shorts, and we'll also announce it on the website, so you can check any of those sources for our daily winner. And it's super easy to sign up. Just wait till the end of the video, I'll show you how to do it. But let's see what we're giving away this year. And all of our 12 days of Christmas, it's actually the 12 days before Christmas instead of traditional 12 days of Christmas. We think it's a lot more fun just to build up to Christmas Day, and then we give away a freeze dryer on Christmas Day. Before I get into what we're gonna do for each day, I wanna mention also that each day that we have a giveaway, it will not only just be a giveaway, we'll be having a promotion at freezedryingsupplies.com as well for a discount. So if you don't win, you can still win by a discount at the store. Day one of the 12 days of Christmas, we're doing a set of locking tray stackers as well as a freeze dryer upgrade kit. I also want to mention all of our stuff. When you win, if you are the winner, we'll ask you what size freeze dryer you have, or if there's any other questions that we need answered, we'll reach out to you by the email that you provide when you sign up for the giveaway. Day number 2, we are giving away a $50 gift card to Freeze Drying Supplies. You can use that for anything you want in the entire store. Day 3, we're doing a 1-year subscription to the cookbook. Day number 4, we're doing a set of silicone and a 100-pack of parchment paper. Day number 5, we're giving away 100 Mylar bags and 50 oxygen absorbers. Day number 6, we've been holding back some food funnels for this special occasion. We've been out of food funnels for a long time. We have a couple to give away. Days 7 and 8, we're gonna set you up with a complete set of lids and a complete set of dividers. So whether you have a medium or a large, we'll set you up with a whole set of each one of those. We're doing that days 7 and 8. And day 9, we're gonna give away my new favorite freeze drying gadget, a Flir thermal camera. So if you do win this, we're gonna need to get a hold of you and see what kind of phone you have so we can get you the right setup. And now we're getting a little bit closer to Christmas. Day 10, the prizes are really starting to get ramped up. We're gonna give away an Avid Armor USV 32 on day 10. And then day 11, we're gonna give away either, I haven't decided yet, a Euro series or the new guide series. Either way you look at it, that's a $1,200 vacuum sealer. I think that whoever wins this is gonna be super appreciative. And then on day 12, we're gonna give away a medium freeze dryer, and you could be the lucky 12 Days of Christmas winner. You get a medium freeze dryer. It'll have a premier pump. You get to choose what color it is. We just have to make a phone call, and it's all pre-ordered and everything. We'll send it on your way. So to have a shot at all this stuff, I'm going to show you how to do that coming up. Before I do that, I just want to say thank you again for an awesome 2022. I know we've all been through some rough times in the last couple years. The freeze dryer has just been a blessing, I think, for the last couple of years. It's the exact reason why you freeze dry in the first place. But we're looking forward to 2023. We have some awesome new products coming out. We're just going to keep plugging along and keep doing our freeze drying thing. We love what we do. We're so appreciative of all your support. I hope everyone has a great holiday. I hope everyone has a great new year. Spend some good quality time with the family. And now I want to show you how to sign up for this whole giveaway. To be entered into the giveaway, it's very simple. You just go to www.freezedryingsupplies.com. In the upper right hand corner, you're going to see this little person icon. You're going to click on that. That will take you to the login screen. If you already have an account, you can double check and see if you have an account with your email and password here. Otherwise, just go down below, sign in, and click create account. That will take you to this create account page. You just need to enter your first name, your last name, your email, and password, and then you're gonna click this create button here at the bottom. There's no obligation to win any of our prizes. We're giving away 12 days of prizes this year, and if you think that you already have an account or you're not sure, try and create another account. It actually will not let you create an account for the second time. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Good luck.